Finger Sub review time. We are at Lenova, Buffalo, New York. When I was in college, this will continue like back with Imperial. Imperial was my favorite pizza for a while. In college, Lenova was my favorite. I lived pretty close, so we went here a lot. Far and away the most expensive sub I've done. Like, I haven't kept the receipts, but not even close. This sub was like broke the bank. It's like this chicken finger sub costs more than it takes to fill up my truck with gas, and you know how much the prices are now. Hard to get at. Oh, you know what? No, maybe not. Extra blue cheese on the side, taped in. It is a heavy sub. Hear that thud? Oh, it almost spilled my my Loganberry. No tops to Loganberry, but delicious. Yeah, heavy sub. There's a group of people over there eating pizza. I think they think I'm insane just talking to myself. So that's all right. Oh, we're talking sloppy here. Wow. I mean, that looks like a slop fest. Gonna load up on napkins here before we get going. Alright. I don't know if there's blue cheese on it or if she just gave me the blue cheese on the side. This is a monster. I guess you get what you pay for sometimes. I don't think there's blue cheese on it. So we'll control our own portion control here. All right. One bite. It's very good. I don't know if it's $17 good, but it's very good. I got the straw thinking I was gonna have a top, and there was no tops. Ooh, I didn't realize it's one of these guys though. I love that. You don't see that very often anymore. Very good stuff. Gotta go back for one more. It's getting everywhere. Now we're at that battle, that, you know, the 7981. I kind of want to give it a 7.9 for the price, but I think it's too good. I think this has got to be in the 8s. Yeah, this is a good sub. We're going 8-1. That's a review. Lenova, 8-1.